Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Here we're going to look at some healthy eating tips and strategies. Now let's begin with one of the most agreed upon ideas for nutrition and diet, which is to eat your fruits and vegetables. They are part of a well-balanced diet, high in fiber, low in sugar, salt, and fats. Next, if you're a lover of soda like I am, try and substitute soda for sparkling water. Down the line, you can eventually try and shake sparkling water for just plain water. Nowadays, there are more fad diets out there than I can think of. First, do your research. One diet I've read actually advocates smoking cigarettes every time you're hungry. Now, to be successful, you have to actually have a plan for healthy eating. So make a healthy shopping list. Know where to find the healthy food at work. Too much of anything is no good for you. Portion control is essential to maintaining a healthy weight. It will help your stomach shrink. Many people like to have wine or a beer with their meals. The problem happens when too much alcohol is consumed. It can lead to worse eating decisions. Continuing, chew your food slowly. Chewing slowly slows down the eating pace. It gives your brain enough time to signal the stomach that enough food has been eaten. So take your time. Next, try and cook your meals at home as opposed to getting fast food. First off, it's cheaper, but healthy choices are limited at fast food places. Eating late is not a good idea. Eating late may also lead to increased blood sugar levels. Ultimately, the food consumed doesn't get properly digested. Next, there is nothing wrong with adding spices to your food. Herbs and spices are so flavorful that they make it easier to eat healthy foods while cutting back on the usual salt and sugar tastes. If you're going to snack, make the right choices. There are tons of healthy snacks out there. For example, dark chocolate, watermelon, celery sticks, and more. Many studies have linked a hearty breakfast to good health. People who eat breakfast do better on cognitive and memory tests. The brain operates better when it's fueled. Next, don't go food shopping when you're hungry. You're going to wind up buying the entire store. If you're hungry, you may buy some junk food, unhealthy food, whatever. Drinking water throughout the day can improve your overall health. Water is a better choice than any of the sugar-loaded beverages. Drinking water may increase physical performance and reduce headaches. Try to avoid fried foods. Choose roasted chicken as opposed to fried chicken. Fried foods are high in fats, calories. Now, if you're out at a restaurant and your meal comes with different types of food, eat the vegetables first. The only thing dietitians can agree on is that vegetables are fantastic for your health. Using a scale can help you avoid serious weight gain. The fact is that weight gain often creeps up on someone. We look in the mirror and we're 20 pounds heavier. Lastly, always read the label. For example, look at the percentages of sodium, salt. If you notice really high percentages in those areas, maybe you want to back off. Okay, know what you're putting in your body. Right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Don't forget to like, share this video. Please subscribe to this channel and check the description for links to some resources as well. Have a great day.